Hi, good day to you. So this is a step-by-step tutorial for you on how to check your O-level results on JAMB CAPS. So if you have uploaded your O-level results or you want to check if your O-level result is uploaded on JAMB, this is how you check. So firstly, you open your Chrome browser. Please make use of Chrome browser, okay? So Google search e-facility JAMB. Okay, once you Google search e-facility JAMB, the first result that you see on the Google search, that is, make sure it is efacility.jamb.gov.ng. Click on it. Okay, once you click on it, it will show up. So once this page show up, that is efacility.jamb.gov.ng. Sometimes you might have /login, and if you don't have that, no problem. So at the top of your Chrome, click on these three dots at the top of your Chrome. Once you click on it, like you want to go to settings, click on desktop site. Tap on that desktop site. Tap on desktop site. Once you tap on desktop site, the page is going to reload exactly like this. So for you to be able to log in to your JAMB CAPS, okay, you must have gone to CBT Center to link your email address with JAMB, especially if JAMB 2022 is your first JAMB, okay? But if you have done JAMB before, definitely you must have linked your email address with JAMB, okay? And if you have not done that, you have to go to CBT Center to link your email address with JAMB. So that is the only way, and it requires thumb printing. So please don't click on create an account here. You don't need it. Don't click on create an account. You don't need it. That is not what you are going to use. If that is what you use, please, you have to go to CPT Center to link your email address with JAMB properly. So once you link your email address with JAMB, JAMB will have sent you a message inside your email. That email that you supplied when you link your email address with JAMB, it used to be something at Gmail account, at gmail.com. Okay, so for example, you will see the one I'm using here as a sample to you. So the password is going to start with CAND. Make sure you type the password exactly the way it is, or you can just copy it out and paste it there. Start with small letter CAND and the rest of the password. Then your email address, you put it at the email address box here. So click on it and input your, because I've already inputted it here before, so that's why I'm able to proceed. Okay, just click on login. So once you log in, at the top here you see your name, welcome, your name, and your JAMB registration profile code. You see it there. Then come to check admission status. That is where you are going to see your O-level results uploaded. Click on check admission status. Okay, so as you can see, this one is showing 2021 unified UTME whatever, and it's showing last year registration number. It is because this particular person has done JAMB before, but because this person has done JAMB before, if you click on this access my CAPS, it is this access my CAPS that you have to click on to proceed and check your O-level results. But because this person has done JAMB before, if you click here, it's going to show this person's last year profile. Okay, so if you have done JAMB before, you have to go back and follow this step. But if this 2022 is your first JAMB, you just have to click on access my CAPS to proceed. But for the sake of those that have done JAMB before, we just have to make it work for them too. So just click the back button. Okay, once you click on the back button, now see this 2022 Unified Tertiary Examination. Click on it. Now scroll down. Tap on that first option that said select examination. Once you tap on it, this page will reload. It will show you a notification. Now see this notification. Please select a valid. So just click OK. Click on the OK button. Okay. Now proceed to click on check admission status. So again, if 2022 is your first JAMB, you don't have to follow that first step. Okay. So once you see this 2022 unified exam, then you see your JAMB 2022 registration number. Some part of it is going to be blocked out. It is normal, all right? So just click on this access my CAPS. So that is where you're going to access your CAPS to see your O-level results. Click on access my CAPS. Once you click on it, now It might show your name and it might not show your name. Now at the left side here, you see caps home, my profile, my choices, my O-level, admission status and other information like that. So firstly, you can click on my profile. You will see your name. Once you click on my profile, you're going to see your demonstration number, your name, your gender, your date of birth, state of origin, and the like. So some people do complain that this name is like it has interchanged it. So it is JAMB that purposely did it like that. So you don't have to worry, all right? It is still your name, all right? So just click on my, so at the left side here, you can see my choices. So on this my choices, this is where you're going to see the list of your the institutions that you selected when you registered for JAMB. And if you have done change of institution, all right, and it has not shown here, just click on refresh. The institution or course that you changed to, everything is going to reflect here, all right. So at the left side here again, you're going to see at this left menu, you will see my O-level. So that's where you're going to see your O-level results, either WAEC, NECO, or NABTEB. So you're going to see your demonstration number, the subject that you uploaded. The arrangement does not matter. So probably English is put first or whatever. It doesn't matter. So you see the grade, the exam series. The exam series means, the school exam means it is the one that you did with uniform. The private means it is this GC, probably NECO GC or WAEC GC. Or if it is normal WAEC you did, you're going to see school exam. If it is normal NECO, you're going to see school exam. Then the year you did your WAEC or NECO, then the type of results you see, if it is WAEC, if it is NECO. And if it is WAEC and NECO, you will see both your WAEC and NECO. Then if it is two different WAEC, you are going to see them and the year. If you have uploaded them, then you will see the exam number in front. But if nothing is showing here, probably it's showing O-level result not found, or it's showing that AR, that is awaiting results. Instead of all this grade, it's showing you AR. You just click on this refresh button below here. Click on this refresh button. Now, if you click on this refresh button and it is still not showing, that means you have to go to CBT Center to link your O-level results with JAMB. So I'm talking about this refresh button. Okay, if you click on it, it must show your O-level result. But if it is not showing, that means you have not uploaded your O-level results. So that is how to check your O-level results on JAMB Caps. All right. So thank you very much. So please click on the subscribe button on this video, click on the subscribe button below, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So subsequently, you're going to be seeing videos like this that has to do with your admission and the likes. So as time goes on, we're going to publish video on how to check your admission status, how to accept your admission when you've been given admission. So but strictly this video is meant for you on how to check your O-level results on JAMB Portal, on JAMB Caps. It is still the same thing. So if it is not showing your name at the top, it doesn't mean it's not a problem. If we check back again, it might show your name. So thank you very much. So please kindly click on the subscribe button. If you are watching this on Facebook, click on follow Naijaedugist. If you are watching this on YouTube, click on subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Follow Naijaedugist to get notification on videos like this. Thank you very much.